No, stay. You're late. You don't know what kind of work now there. You're late.
Everything straight out there, so that
No.
I mean, I've been on the hang on, you know.
Well, you hear what the man did the other day, right?
What that?
You hear what Vino did the other day, right?
I've been on Dubai.
Man dug up for the cake.
I see that, man.
For
I
life,
see that,
right?
I see that, man. I see that.
Over 8,000 people watch it. Over 8,000 people see the man that dug up for a cake. I see the man right there. Hey, my birthday is. I don't celebrate birthday, no, cause. No, they live. I'm not sure, no. Huh? I don't celebrate birthday. No, I just know. I don't celebrate it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is something I want to say thanks to St. Louis with Swingwell Drix. Drix and his crew out here at Culture Beach near this is Culture Beach. It's been a while we come to this. As a matter of fact, this is the first time I'm coming to this beach. I live in Griga most of my life, man. I used to pass through this area, Culture Beach. Right here is beach reclamation. When the seat near Barmouth, the circle when we serve my little tricks. He has been instrumental in 6 Bar Shoe, has been instrumental in reclaiming this beach. We want to say thanks to Drix. We'll talk to Drix in a minute. It's hard work. We got to say thanks to him again for, you know, our families having fun, picnics, everything is happening out here at Culture Beach next near Islands. It's a wonderful beach right on the bottom out. So this is what we're talking about. Lata Beach. Thanks you very much. This is Briga, Culture Capital. Then you come to Culture Beach here. What a beautiful scenery right here at Culture Beach. All right. Yeah, we are here at Culture Beach, ladies and gentlemen. Red, you could please make the dog be quiet and for Ali live right now. Make the dog quiet down, please. I see you right there chilling, please. Please don't. I don't want the dog to be a nuisance on the live. Can you please tell him to hush up a little bit? Please, could you please? He says to her. Thank you very much. All right. This is it. Now, Drix. Finally, come. Finally, man, congratulations. I tell you, we don't normally tell people when we come in. Things just happen when it's supposed to happen. And look, we have a whole lot of people on this live right now telling you thanks. We appreciate you from the bottom of our heart, you know, taking your time out each and every day, each and every time. How do you feel today? You have a lot of people over there. I mean, right in front of RC, the Barmouth, man. This is a wonderful job, man. Sir, my wife, Drix.
Yeah, in actuality, originally, this time at the spot, you know, like, if you focus so, the major problem, I mean, erosion.
Yeah, you can see that's where the rocks they come out, the rocks, the cement, so you see me, they're right over there, so we'll say, let it grow.
Yeah, yes. And then, fortunately, we may get Wali, contribution, donation, whatever we want to call it, from the Ministry of Tourism, Minister Mahala, with the help of I forget Mr. Mariano, and you know we get certain things done, and my plan, I mean this, like for me throw the rocks, and then the sun will grow front of the rocks. what layman plan. Because we may have geologists, me don't know where all the name, the technocrats then, where they know like, say, deal with beaches and whatever. But when me in my head, me stick to my head. And the minister may work with me and we end up there. Deal with whatever we have to deal with the rocks. Because then rocks are, me fi cover with some sand, but you know, unfortunately, it never happened.
Never pan out, but why is it they give you more than what you ask for? Because it's supposed to go over the rocks, but no, it's beyond the rocks, way out there, at least about 30 to 40 feet from where you're at. You got additional beach. I mean, I don't know how it happened,
no,
but you stop the erosion. The father stopped the erosion with these rocks from going in on the side of the street there.
Yeah, because it was all the way over there, right there. You see, all right there, where they see me there, you know.
So they see me there right there, where. So you can see the sea was right here, ladies and gentlemen. See, this is look. If you see the distance from here to there, it's about 80 feet. Almost approximately 60 to 80 feet. So this is, so you actually stop it from coming in with these boulders right there. So
yeah, and he actually worked. My layman thinking me work. My layman thinking me work.
And better than that coming, better than that, more to come, because I could see like some of the sun they seem like it patch out there, then it full up there gap, gap. You know, so you could see a lot of work that's happening out there. Now, how do you come about doing this? Do you have any additional help, or you just
in actuality, families may come together and we work, because even like bushy, just like this, right? Just like this, in bushy like this, and you know, we came together, we work, we till this, well, not till the soil, but we clean it. You know, we try put wali, cassava, wali thing, and coconut, but it never work out, because you can't fight the hands of God. You can't fight nature, you know. But with the little support we may have, like, we may end up there, do things. And the beach may there like, must be 100 feet from here. Where we stand up? 100 feet from here.
So we need, right? So we're expecting to get more beach. Ladies and gentlemen, we're expecting to get more beach, because then you're far away, you're moving, the sea, now we gotta clean up. So if you guys have spare time, not fear for pick up a piece of dirt, pick up a 2 piece of, can we see a few plastic there that need to be picked up? You know, not fear for pick up, it's not hurt.
No. That's my thing. But sometimes you end up, you know, like, you get like discouraged. Like, you know, because you don't have that support. You don't have that support in kind of way. But like where I say, the man instrumental in a way they do, but sometimes he's too busy and things like that, and then like, you know, work out the way we don't want, like how I would have wanted. Because this, that's not an I project. This project that like, Fiala we that done bigger better. You know, because, and then why I think about that, because they have South Beach where they shine, they have Northern Beach where they Wahima, and then nothing that are central where I born and grow. So that like my thing for me, like do this, but like slow but sure, slow and sure, slowly but surely, it you know, it come to pass. Like my dreams, because like where I say, I could reiterate, that know something with an I, that we, you know?
Yeah, so we're gonna keep it there, Drix. I mean, I know you're passionate about this. It looks good. I mean, if the beach come back, please, we're not gonna skinny dip by this beach, because
you mean not gonna skinny dip? They can do what they want, our public thing me better.
Alright, so you're encouraging that?
No. This is our public thing.
Alright, good.
Where the public
so ladies and gentlemen, Drix say you can go ahead. I'm gonna say take on no time, make a beach clean up first. You know, but no, you say
nice it up.
So you know we about nice it up, right? That's what Drix they say. Nice so that's what me say it, you know, right?
Remember, you just skinny dip back in the days, you know. You are school. No, come on. We good, man. We good.
Why? This is Yeah, it is. It is Kendrick Parachute, and over there we have the Dr. Rowe over there. You know Dr. Rowe Pharmacy. That's the guy that was doing the dug ups. He was doing the dug ups on the cake the last time. But this is Kendrick Parachute drip right here, live on 91.7 FM.
Anybody when want like support and throw a tool load of sand pan rocks and things like that, they could do it. You know, they could do it, and we are straight to that, man.
All right, good. We on.
Yeah.
Again, Legion. Thanks again, Drex. Thanks again for your time, man. Yeah, man. We got everything look good. That big G that over there. That big G I see over there. That he not. That big G crowd that. That. Big G, Bev. I see your crowd, Bev. My classmate, I see your crowd. They out there. Alright. Thanks again for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. All fun and jokes aside. Very good work, very good job. I like it. I love it. I hope you like it too. This is Culture Beach in the mouth of the North Creek River. Right there. Alright, we gotta go. Ayo.